Hi.
Who is it?
It's carol singers.
In this series, we're bringing you snack-sized movie morsels to munch on.
What was that?
Single recipes for tasty treats to eat along with your favourite characters.
Food snack!
Fasten your seatbelts. This is Snack to the Future.
Banoffee Pie.
No, thanks.
Thank God. It would have broken my heart if you'd said yes.
Oh, right, well. Lucky you.
Can I come in?
Yeah, well, I'm a bit busy,
Well,
but...
I was just passing and...
For the base, you're going to need 250 grams of plain digestive biscuits.
Right, who do you have to screw around here to get a cup of tea and a chocolate biscuit?
Blitz them into a fine crumb. If you don't have a food processor, you can take your anger out with a rolling pin. The holidays can be hard.
Arse, head and hole.
Then we're going to add in 150 grams of melted, unsalted butter. All the biscuit crumbs need to be thoroughly coated in butter. No dry bits, please.
Don't ask me why, and for heaven's sake, don't read stuff into this.
I've got a loose-bottomed 9-inch tart tin here. No need to grease it as our base is packed with butter. We're going to just push this down tightly to create the base. I find it easier to do the sides first and then cover the bottom. Once you're happy with the edges, gather up the excess biscuit and scoop it into the tin. Pack that down to form the bottom. There's no banoffee without the offie, and for that, condensed milk is the place to start. Melt 100 grams of unsalted butter, and then add in the same amount of dark brown sugar. We're going to keep this on a low heat until the sugar is dissolved. Add in a full standard tin of condensed milk. To be exact, that's 397 grams.
Right.
And bring it up to a gentle simmer. Leave that to bubble away for 3 to 4 minutes.
Actually, I really can't wait.
Oh, you won't regret it, sir.
Want to bet?
You need to stir constantly so that it doesn't catch on the bottom of the pan. When you get to a rich, deep caramel colour, whack off the heat. For a salted caramel hit, go in with a teaspoon of salt and get that in the fridge for at least an hour.
Could we be quite quick?
Prontissimo.
Whip up 300 millilitres of double cream to soft peaks with a little dash of vanilla. Now we've got the offie, we need the bag, and 2 bananas should do it. Slice those into 1 centimetre rounds.
It's great.
Not quite finished. Almost finished.
Almost finished. What else can there be? You're going to dip it in yogurt? Cover it with chocolate buttons?
Oh no, sir. Grated chocolate, not buttons.
Oh,
The ultimate Banoffee Pie, to share with your nearest and dearest this Christmas and prove that love actually is all around us.
It's gonna be a very good Christmas.
Remember, the first rule of Bite Club is you talk about Bite Club.